number one recommendation is this Haus Lab. This is I'm going to use. So I just do like this, like that. And then I'm gonna blend it with brush. So this is blend well. Look at that. So glowy. So I like this. So for the concealer, I like this one. This is a Makeup by Mario. I like the applicator. It's so tiny and it goes to the inner corner. Just like that. And that's all I need. And to my nose, I use this Tarte. This is a concealer, the Tarte shape. This is for my nose. Just a little bit. Just like that. To contour my face, I'm using this Rare Beauty. This is a good one. This is my daily use. So easy peasy. Just like that. Just roughly. And